How's the frame?
It's looking good to me.
तो ये तो बाद में बोलूँगी ना मैं. I didn't just wake up one day and went to my boss and gave my resignation. ये लीजिए. Okay. I didn't just wake up one day and go to my boss and say that ये लो मेरा resignation. मैं जा रही हूँ छोड़ के. I quit.
Oh shit! No! नहीं! ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। कह दो कि ये झूठ है।
देखो ये सब तो सिर्फ बॉलीवुड में होता है. ऐसा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है और ना ही मैंने ये सब किया है.
सिक्योरिटी, इस आदमी को ऑफिस के बाहर भेज दो।
और भाई ये सब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया. बट किया क्या है फिर? वेल लेट मी टेल यू. हाउ डिड आई गो फ्रॉम वर्किंग विद somebody और ऑलवेज वर्किंग अंडर somebody to earning a six figure every month and starting my own creative agency. तो कहानी शुरू होती है ऐसे. My first job juggling between Mumbai, Pune, earning like nearly 5,000, 8,000 every month. तब की बात थी 2014 and I've been working since then and I've done like a lot of odd jobs in event management, a lot of hustling, lot of struggling, lot of roaming around in local train in Mumbai, then coming back to Pune. Then finally, I found a job in PR agency in Pune, and that was a good changing opportunity for me, and it gave me a lot of exposure. I learned a lot, but very soon I was going to get married in 2018, and that's when, after my marriage, I realized I should be doing something independently, and that's when I started pursuing freelancing. I thought freelancing was actually,
पैसा ही पैसा होगा। मस्त।
but it actually was this.
मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा।
And honestly, I didn't know what freelancing actually looked like. All I knew, it just sounded cool and it looked cool that you're working independently. So I wanted to do something nice for like a good way to kickstart my freelancing project. The first thing मैंने ये किया कि मैंने उसको एक नाम दे दिया, which was Shiloh and Co. It's a Hebrew name, and I decided that that would be the name of my project. And I wanted to do something nice as a start to a new journey, so I offered my services at free of cost for an NGO. And that's when things changed for me, because I wanted to do something nice. Working for an NGO and offering my services and helping them to build their social media felt like a big achievement, and that is what I did. And I've been still doing that since many years, because that's one thing I've not stopped. Apart from that, with the paid gigs, I was still stuck in this loop. I was only chilling with my friends. I was only sitting and वेली बैठी रहती थी. मैं पूरा दिन नेटफ्लिक्स देखते रहो, खाना खाते रहो, घूमते रहो, पार्टी करो, चिल करो. But I did not have any kind of direction. I did not have a vision. I did not have any goal in mind that how do I grow this freelancing project. I knew that working for an NGO kept me busy, but I had to earn income somewhere, because it was my responsibility to make me earn more. But that's where I was stuck in that loop. Okay, so like I was saying, that when I started working for the NGO, I literally had, they were sweet enough to recommend me, that, they wanted to recommend my work because I was good at it. And धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा socializing शुरू हुआ, थोड़ा networking शुरू हुआ, and that is what helped me slowly get. So that is what kind of helped me network a little more. And मैं तो फिर सिर्फ बेशरम हो गई थी. I started cold calling, I started cold pitches, I started attending a lot of events wherever I got an invite for, and I made sure I was seen, I was heard. I started talking about my work, my agency, my freelance project, that this is what I do. I kept calling people, kept calling my friends that कुछ काम है तो बता दो, कुछ काम है तो बता दो. And literally I went all out. I did not think left, right, I just went all out. So initial few years of freelancing may look like this. You are your HR, you're the accountant, you're the designer, you're the editor, you're the one who's pitching to brands. आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो, आप ऑल राउंडर बन चुके हो रातों रात. So be prepared for that, because obviously unless you have money to invest initially, which मेरे पास तो कुछ नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ चुनी थी ताकि मैं बहुत सारा कमा पाऊँ, बट ऑब्वियसली इनिशियली ये सब चीज़ें नहीं थी मेरे पास, सो इट वाज ऑल मी. My free Canva subscription for like the longest time, so I was like doing it all by myself. Fast forward to 2025 today, and I earn six figures every month. Yay. Obviously aiming for more. I have an agency, I have a team of 4 to 5 people, and I work my ass off. And my company has a goal, my company has a vision. I have so many goals that I want to manifest for my agency. I want to build a huge agency. I'm also manifesting a dream office space, which is on my vision board. So if you see a next video in the couple of months or a year or so, you will know that I manifested this, and you will go back and watch this video again, and you will remember that if I could do it, so can you. So right now, I have made sure that I'm going to achieve something. I'm going to create amazing campaigns for my brands. And moreover, I love working independently. I love working for myself, setting my own rules, setting my own set of goals. I am the boss of my own company. So that's like the biggest achievement that I feel. So if you are someone who's stuck, know that you can do it. It may take time, it may not take time, but it all depends on how much of efforts you are ready to put in. So here we come to an end to the Big Sis episodes. It's my last one here, but you know that if you need any kind of guidance, you need any kind of help, I'm there. You can drop me a DM on my Instagram, you can message me here, you can drop in your comments or your doubts, and you know that this Big Sis is going to be there for you. So stay tuned for the next series that I'm going to plan something fun for sure. It's all about real talk. Bye.